Hey, what's going on, guys? Wanted to give you a quick video on a customer that we're dealing with here. This customer has a bankruptcy and a couple of collections and I think like 2 charge-offs. In the previous video, we talked about the difference between a collection and a charge-off, but this one happens to be a charge-off that I'm talking about today. It's a credit card, and let me back up. We sent a dispute letter to the credit card company. Again, validate this is mine. Prove to me this is mine or the client. And so they did respond back. I guess I should have had this up before I started the video so I could be prepared to tell you this, but I'm going to bring it up real quick. It's funny what their response was. Never had a response like this before. Here we are. What is this? Yeah. So, sent them a dispute. They said this letter is regarding your repeat dispute received from the credit bureau. We received the information provided on the most recent dispute, finding that it did not provide any new information. We have previously investigated this claim, finding we are reporting accurate information to the credit bureaus. We consider this matter resolved and will not respond to any additional inquiries. Really? Because the Fair Credit Bureau says you must investigate anytime someone writes you. So, we sent a second letter to this credit card company, and the credit card company never responded. So that's a good thing. So after that, we sent them a 30-day letter quoting the law, saying they have 30 days to respond, which they never did. And they're in violation of the Fair Credit Reporting Act. And so we told them you got to respond. I mean, it's per the law, you have to. So they ended up finally responding again. And again, we're like, send us the contract. So what did they do? They sent this. All of this. So open it up, and all this is, it said it's every single bill, credit card bill, that the client has ever received from them. That's all this is. Again, that's great. Thank you for that. But anybody can type up a bill or several bills and say this is what you owe, right? Or this is what you pay or whatever. Give me a signed contract. So we've sent them 2 letters. Their first response is, we're not going to talk to you anymore. We're not going to respond to you anymore. Finally, I had to send them a threatening letter. They respond with bills. No signed contract, bills. So once the credit bureaus come back with their investigation and everything, we will send to the credit bureaus the 3 letters that we have sent this credit card company: the first dispute, the second dispute, and the 30-day no response letter that we sent them because they never responded. And we will say, guys, here's the letters we wrote. They're not giving us what we need. They don't have the signed contract. How the hell are you verifying it? You need to delete this. So this is why credit repair takes time. This is already like the 3rd month for this customer that we're dealing with. But again, they have charge off, they have collections, they have bankruptcy. Bankruptcies take a while. So you got to be patient. You just have to keep documentation of everything. And I mean everything. And just be persistent. Keep following up. It can be frustrating, but you got to stay on top of it and keep following up. But as always, if you have a question, email us. Ask us anything. We'll try to help you, guide you. If you want to sign up for our services, we'll be more than happy to help you out. But that's all I got. Just wanted to share that information with you. As always, stay safe and have a great weekend.